I just want to show you active test and the component unit adaptation, and to do it I will exit from this module and I will go directly to the gearbox, because it is really interesting module, so I will be able to tell you something more about it. So I will select other active tests. For example, we can check in this specific car, in this specific transmission, we can perform the oil check test. Of course, there are information what condition has to be fulfilled to carry out. I will press the continue, and here we have preliminary conditions what we have to fulfill, and here we have an access to the parameters what has to be fulfilled. So in this case, of course, the engine is just off, so that's why we have a 0 RPM. If we will perform this action on the display, the letter F will be flashing, and after the check we will get the correct answer direct from the ECU. We can go out, and let's have a look for another interesting option.